Fortex PVC cladding is an affordable and easy way to transform your house's facade. It is available in 11 colours. The first stage in the process of installing Fortex requires you to fit a timber frame to the wall which the cladding planks will be fitted to. Starting 200mm from the ground, place the wood so it is horizontally level and drill through the timber and into the wall before using screws appropriate for use on the substrate surface to secure it in place. When the bottom timber stud is fitted, continue to fit others above it which are evenly spaced out on the wall to accommodate insulation boards. Fit insulation roll into the gaps between the studs and where required cut it down to size so it is flush with the edge of the timber. You may want to use pins or screws to secure it in place. When you have got your insulation held in place across the whole wall, begin to cover it over with a breather membrane and attach it to the timber studs. Cut any excess of the bottom or top with a sharp knife. You should then fix 25mm by 50mm battens vertically on top of the breather membrane at 400mm intervals. Fix single part trims and or the first part of 2-part edge, corner and H trims as necessary. Fix the ventilated starter trim at the bottom of the wall, making sure it is level. This is what you'll be slotting the cladding board into. Do the same thing with the ventilated closer trim at the top of the area. Slide the first cladding plank into the slot in the starter trim. Cut it down to size where appropriate and screw fix the top to the battens. Where necessary, join the end of the boards using a compatible butt joint or H-trim with the correct expansion joint. Then simply interlock the next cladding panel to the one below securing with cladding screws as you go, and repeat the process until the entire area you want to clad is covered. At the edges, use 2-part interior edge trims to create clean looking corners. When you come to a window, fix H trims on the sides, which the planks will slide into. And make sure to cut out a portion of the plank that is in line with the windowsill, as a vented trim and cover will need to be fitted there.